Alright, I'm Becca Ledzak, and I am a sophomore, and I'm an ESL education major.
I'm Joanna Fisher. I am a freshman, and I'm Children and Family Ministries.
The Living Hope is a nonprofit organization specifically reaching out to children and families in Northeast Minneapolis, and it was started by a graduate from Northwestern, Steve Moen, and they have a youth group program. They also are trying to start a church, so they have Sunday night programs. We also do a tutoring program, and we just reach out by being there and being a place where people can come and learn about Jesus.
I lead a 6th grade girls youth group on Tuesday nights, and this year specifically we're going through identity and just really stressing to them that they need to find their identity in Christ.
I help coordinate a tutoring program on Thursday nights, and so we have at the beginning one-on-one tutoring with one student and one adult tutor, and then after the end of the night we usually have a Bible club time where we're going through the books through Genesis and the Bible stories right now. I definitely think it's brought out in me patience and just a love for people that I don't have without the Lord, and also just trusting God to that He'll give me the strength and the abilities to be who He wants me to be with these students.
What I've learned through this is that, or what it's brought out in me, is just my leadership abilities and just really trusting in God in everything that I'm doing with these girls, and just trusting that He has complete control of the situations that they're brought up in, and I might not understand everything, but just by me being there, it can really speak to them.
The thing that Living Hope has grown in me with my relationship with the Lord is definitely trusting Him, because going into this year I felt really inadequate for being a coordinator for tutoring and just all the things that come with that, but He's just given me grace and showing me that it's all through Him. He's gonna use me and use everyone else to bring Him glory, so I don't have to worry about anything. So just learning to trust God in that. Just seeing the relationship with the tutors and the students, how tutors want to actively love on their students by writing a letter to them, calling them, hanging out with them outside of tutoring, and praying for them. Just awesome to see people get involved in that way, and especially Joanna for stepping up and leading a small group of girls that she doesn't even have to do that. She doesn't have to drive there, pray for them, hang out with them, go to their plays, and be involved. But so that's just an answer to prayer, just that God has brought all these Northwestern students to get involved with Living Hope and serve in that way. If you're interested in getting involved with Living Hope, you can either talk to Campus Ministries, the office, and they can give you my email or another leader's email, and then you can get involved through that way. Or at the very beginning of the year, we always have a campus craziness where they tell you all the activities you can get involved in, and you can let us know then. One of my favorite memories about Living Hope is when a tutor actually from Northwestern came up to me and she said that she got to share the gospel with her little boy that she tutors named Gustavo, and she's like, yeah, I got to share the gospel, and he accepted Jesus into his heart and he wants to keep coming to Living Hope and learning more about Jesus. And so just hearing stories like that and seeing how God does work through that, and He is bringing people to know Him through Living Hope.